he saw fish in the floor.
Well, he actually didn't see the fish in the floor, but his cousin in Atlanta saw fish in the floor.
Now, you know that's ridiculous, right? Little Rodney probably heard it from somebody who heard it from somebody else who said that because when they dropped their fillet of fish on the
Is it
floor.
good?
Ridiculous. I can't believe you said that.
Salutations, ladies. Get together, bring it to prayer pose and reach. Butterfly.
Thirsty?
Butterfly. Bring it back to prayer pose. Deep Ujjayi breath. Breathing in radiance. Beauty. Life.